Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you that there is a hidden lo-fi music function inside of Discord. So let's say that for whatever reason you're feeling stressed out and the conversation you just had isn't going great. Hit Control Alt Shift W and Discord will play you some lovely lo-fi to help you relax so you don't have to worry about anything else for a while. It'll mute everything else going on Discord, and it will stay muted until you decide to click back to the conversation. You can pause it here in the corner, and you can resume it, and you can go back at any time. And in case you wanted that again, that's Control Alt Shift W brings up the lo-fi music. Have fun, everybody, and enjoy this hidden feature on Discord.